Fellow Zimbabweans, below is a 21-page document that explains the plan of 2030 crew. Zarabina mashoko obuda panguva ino atiri kuona vakomana veanti 2030 vari kupenengura nekutsanangura panguva ino. The 21-page document inganzi a dossier or intelligence top secret document panguva ino riri richitaura pamusoro peplan yezvigananda, plan yakuonekwa kunzi ichachinja aiwa the entire leadership yenyika yeZimbabwe. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panguva lini Emma anoposta the same documents widely circulated on social media udanyora cheating. The report claims that President Emmerson Mnangagwa plans to sign the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment number 3 Bill Cap 3 into law and then resign within 7 to 14 days or use it to dissolve the cabinet. This legal maneuver is designed to systematically fire first Vice President Chiwenga by ensuring he is excluded from the new government and install second Vice President KD Mohadi as the temporary interim president while they hold a parliamentary vote within 30 days to officially elect First Lady Mnangagwa as president by July 31, 2026. Though zviripo zvibure Zimbabwe, what developments zviri kutendera pa social media. Muri Zimbabwe, do you think this is going to end well? Zviri kurongwa kana kuri kunzi chokwadi kana kuri kunzi zviri verified. What developments anyanya kunongwa kunzi ane munhu pasi. Panguva ino, this function yezvigananda might be risking a violent coup. Another one. Panguva ino, we do not know. Kuti panguva ino, since it is another second version, maybe they might be have installed my measures be avoidable, but it seems like they will face resistance yakanyanyisa. What developments are kuda panguva ino? What is the mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Na comment section medu, so subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.